Guys, welcome back. Thanks for all the feedback, all the messages. I'm glad I can help some people and ease the pain. What I want to talk about today is something that I've come up with. It's based on techniques that I've been learning and trying on myself, and it's really helping me a lot. It's basically taking your injury, looking at what's caused the injury, and basically reversing that whole process. So you can't physically take everything you've done and reverse it, but by stretching a certain way, by myofascial release, just doing everything in a certain way that can actually just reverse that cycle. And instead of going on that same road, if you're driving a car going down the street and you got your foot on the accelerator at a constant pace, you're not going to ever stop. So in order to stop, you need to put your foot on the brake, take a step back, put your car into reverse, and you'll start moving backwards. So basically with the body, you've got the injury, and now every day it's constant pain, and day after day it just seems to be getting worse because you're on that road. So take a step back, put your foot on the brakes, and what I'm going to show you today is basically putting your body into reverse, training your body, training your mind, putting your body into a better position. So with these little stretches, we're going to do what I like to call reverse pain therapy. So you want to take your trigger point ball. I've just taped two together to make it easier. So if you don't have a trigger point ball, you can use what you have at home. You want to get down on the floor or sit in a chair somewhere where you can put pressure onto your forearm, and you want to work the middle section. So front and back. You want to do a rolling motion. You want to do about 4 back and forward, side to side. You want to work your forearm, you want to break down that tissue, feel those little trigger points. It's going to be very sensitive. Rotate this way and then rotate the other way. Do 4, 4, 4, and then you want to put pressure, feel that point, put pressure on the top of your arm, rotate your wrist upwards, and you're going to feel how it pulls your tendons, and you want to lengthen everything. Open your hand, just stretch it out, stretch it out. Same on this side. You want to roll 4. You want to mash side to side, rotate, break those tissues down. And once you've done that, you want to put pressure here, find that sensitive tight area, and rotate, flex your hand upwards, feel everything pull. You can do the same for your elbow, the tricep. Just feel that tight area, because a lot of people get that carpal tunnel syndrome feeling and that numbness in your fingers. So just roll on that tricep region. Put your arm straight and roll side to side slightly, and then put extra pressure and just rotate your hand upward, and you're going to feel everything loosen here. You're going to feel your arm rotation is so much better. You're going to do those exercises and stretches at your desk. If you're at work, if you're sitting and typing, just place the ball under your arm while you're working, and you just roll it and mash it up and do your thumbs up movement, rotate, feel that backward movement. And slowly but surely your mind is going to get trained and your body's going to get trained to loosen up and get in that natural position. So your trigger point therapy, your stretches, and these little myofascial release trigger points is what's going to get you better. I hope this helps. Leave your comments at the bottom. If you have any questions, please subscribe, share the video, try help others by sharing the video and showing them these techniques, and I'll get some more stuff posted to you soon.